Hi everybody, Matt back with you. Today I'm back in Badger Wood in Todmorden. It's probably the nearest wood to me, so I come here quite a lot. We had a lot of rain recently, including almost flooding. So I come to look at the stream because apparently, if you follow the stream that runs through the woods, you can probably hear it, see it there in the distance. Go further upstream. You can find a very nice waterfall. Now, it's impossible to see it from the paths, so I'm going to have to get down there and have a look. Now, we've also recently had an A to Z of storms and a lot of trees down in here, so it's a bit of a mess. But it's raining, I'm already soggy. Let's find a waterfall. I've reached the stream. This is obviously not the waterfall. I presume if it is here, it's a bit further up. You get the idea. See if we can scramble up here and find it. So I can definitely figure out why this could be an unknown waterfall. Look at this. So the route is fairly impassable and impossible. I think if it's going to be anywhere, it's going to have to be right up at the top there. So, wish me luck. Okay, so the side of the riverbank is just collapsing. There's a walk on it. Quite tricky. However, I do think I can see where I need to be, but I'm going to have to leave the comforts of the shore and actually walk up the middle to get there. Well, I think this is it. Can I get any further up? Okay, so I think this is it. Not totally worth the scramble, perhaps. I'm glad I've got here. Yay! Alright, I'm going to have a paddle. See you soon.